So as many of you are aware, I've been asked to speak a lot about AI and how it's affecting our industry, and I think we have done enough of that recently. If you aren't aware of how AI is changing community management, then, I don't know, maybe you've been living under a rock. This message today is to encourage everyone to be putting up more video related to community association management. A quick shout out to Carl Costa Armas. Sorry if I butchered your name, we don't actually know each other. But I want to give him props for being so consistent with posting educational content for the industry. He and we may not always agree on everything, and that's okay. But he's out there voicing his opinion on what he thinks serves community managers and clients in the best way possible. And for that, I give him all the credit. If you don't follow him on LinkedIn, you should. He is a testament on building personal brand. This message is about why we all need to wake the heck up. We have heard the quote, AI isn't coming, it's here right now, to the point it should make you want to puke. This video is to all the people who own independent management companies and all of the employees working in community management. Your future clients and employers, their AI assistants are doing their shopping in the background while they're having breakfast with their best friend. If you don't think our clients or your next employer's AI will be picking services and people for them, then you're not taking AI seriously. And if your brand isn't showing up, you don't even exist in the algorithm's mind. Let me say that again. If you aren't pumping out relevant content, video, audio, written, you're writing your own obituary. AI doesn't care about logos. It cares about story. It cares about signal. And if you're not visible, you're obsolete. It's important to note that your SEO company is probably still focused on serving clients based on Google algorithms. And I hope you're not going to do what we've all been doing throughout the entirety of SEO, which is hey, hire somebody else to deal with that problem. They're the professional. The future game needs to be played today or it's already too late. Every person, yes, every single person needs their own brand. LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, podcasts. Start posting. Show your skills. Tell your story. Because humans connect with humans, not logos. Now, admittedly, most people are still hiding behind their company, and that era is over. AI is optimizing everything from recommendations to discovery. And the question isn't whether AI will dominate, because it will. The real question is, will AI see you? Or just default to whoever's loudest and most present? All right, here's what you do. Number one, learn to edit. You either need to learn to edit or you're going to need to allocate some budget to hire someone or, even purchase an AI product that's going to do it for you. Post consistently, as often as possible. Video, voice, words. Voice, words, those are probably two of the same thing, but doesn't matter. Written, get it out there. Feed those algorithms. All right, next is be authentic. AI tools make creation easy, but your voice, your passion, your story, that's what's going to cut through the noise. Forbes says when AI knows who you are, believes your authority, and can see your story, it amplifies your visibility 1,000-fold. But if you're unclear or inconsistent, AI, it's going to ignore you. All right, number three, structure your digital presence for AI. Clean up outdated bios. Unify your message across all your platforms. AI doesn't pause to ask questions, it just moves on. Make sure it sees you and gets you. Number four, every teammate is a brand. Encourage everyone to be visible because even a small ripple of personal brands feeds the company brand and signals human connection AI can detect. Forbes puts it bluntly, as AI takes on routine tasks, personal brand becomes essential. People don't want a logo, they want a human story. We've all seen them. With all those negative videos out there about nightmare HOAs, where are there not more videos of the successes that we have, the part that we play, and the great neighborhoods that we ensure are a great place to grow up, a clean environment for kids to enjoy? The hard work the men and women are out there putting in to protect every owner from the hardships these communities can have, our industry needs to do better. All right, so some takeaways so far. AI, it's already in the room. Our employees are putting vendor contracts through AI to help them choose for the clients that we serve. We need to understand that our clients are doing the same thing with our contracts. If you don't show up, you vanish. Content creation isn't optional, it's survival. Every single employee is a signal. Be consistent, be authentic, be structured. Otherwise, AI will choose someone else's story and you'll be gone. You don't get to sit this one out. You either build your brand or you get left behind in the AI dust. Now get up, hit record, write your story, because your brand, your future depends on it. No, I'm serious. Grab your phone right now, hit record, make a video, post it, and make a commitment to try and get better with each video you make. This industry is important to me, as I'm sure it is for you, and I don't want to see it fall to the large few. Stay relevant, and let's continue to give these communities a better option. So with that, thank you for watching this today. I really hope to see more of us posting video content, any type of content out there to show all the wonderful things that we do as community association managers and management companies. If you have any questions about creating content, recording video, what type of equipment to use, I'm more than happy to have these discussions with any of you. My name is James Pfeiffer. My direct line is 303-339-9691. And as always, until next time, I look forward to bringing you additional educational content. Look forward to seeing you then. Take care.